Hey there, word wizards. Are you ready to sharpen your pronunciation skills? We have two amazing words in store for you. First up, we look at a classic holiday toy. This word is pronounced as dreidel. Dreidel. Dreidel is a four-sided spinning top that is played with during Hanukkah. Here is a sentence example. She spun the dreidel and waited for it to fall. Next, it's time for a big word challenge. Don't let the long word fool you. This one is easier to say than it looks. This word is pronounced as deleterious. Deleterious. This word may look intimidating, but its meaning is quite simple. Deleterious means harmful. Here is a sentence example. The factory's smoke emissions are deleterious to the environment. That's it for this video, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.